Willow, hello, darling. I think you're the only one awake. Meh, you think so as well? Yeah? I like how you say yeah. Pretty green-eyed girl who came from a meth house. Yeah, you did. And now you're safe and sound. But as you can see, well, I think that Trey is, hello, darling, awake, but snoozy. And as you can see, Will-O-Wisp is all about getting some attention. Oh, it is a cold and gray day in north central Arkansas. And the indoor kitties, oops, she's got her little claw hung in my knitted muffler. Hi, everyone, it's Susan. Furry feline monsters of mass destruction. Did I wake you up? Hello, Deuce McKenzie. Are you all snuggled up in your blanket? Everyone seems to have their own blanket. Of course, Trey and Deuce have been snuggling since before they were born, being litter mates. So you've seen them snuggling here together. But today, it's Deuce McKenzie. And I'm being stalked by a little green-eyed, thuggish demon cat. And I don't know where everyone else is right now. So we're going to have our look around like we sometimes have. Oh, I can hear I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you hear the wind? Listen. I don't know if you could hear that. It's like being in the Old West. There you are back again. But we're looking to see who else is around as we walk through the kitchen. That's a mess. There's Wang Chang Cheetah Burrito. Hi, buddy. How are you today? Huh? Can you say huh for the audience? That's his favorite thing. Wang Chang is always asking questions. Usually, huh? And our little stalker is usually, what are you talking about? Now? Well, it's not time now. So we're strolling back through to see where everyone is. Oh, I see baby dumpling. There's the guy. 55-mile-an-hour kitty. Y'all, when he had the trip that I told you about in his story, this right here on his chin, right here on his chin, which is actually the color of his fur, he won't, okay, that right there, I thought was like he had gotten battery acid on him, and I scrubbed his little face until it was almost sore. And I think Bob, the boss, finally was the one who pointed out. He said, honey, it's his fur that you're trying to scrub off there. And our stalker, oh, Dastardly Doolittle is in the boss's clothes hamper with the dirty clothes. Hi there, Dewey. How are you? We're having a walk through the house to see where everybody is and how everybody's doing right now. With the indoor kitties, the indoor rescue kitties, Dastardly Doolittle, otherwise known as Dewey. There's Julie Newmar. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. I beg your pardon. All right, well, it looks as if everyone is all snuggled in. I've been outside looking at some of the spare lumber, some spare siding, some spare chipboard that we have, and considering its use for enclosing, and we're going to step into the bathroom because I really don't want to go outside right now. I'm going to put this up and hope it stays because sometimes it wants to fall down on me. I have clothespin and, you know, I put the overstuffed chair, will this zoom in a little bit, into the bottom carrier for the outdoor cats. There's a furry rug inside there. There's also a lining beneath that. And beyond where the rag rug is over the little cage kind of thing. Well, it's not a cage kind of thing. It is a cage. It's a rabbit cage that the ninja kittens lived in before their eyes opened. Well, no, after their eyes opened. First, they lived in the one that's there on the bottom. But anyway, I've put an old comforter. The white that you see is an old comforter. It's kind of thick. And the black that you see is a furniture blanket, a moving blanket. So it's not insulation, but it will break the wind. Well, that didn't come out right. I'm sorry. It will, it works as a windbreak for now. But, all right, let's get out of the bathroom. And now that we know that they're okay, and I don't know what audio is running on my YouTube, my nap bed. Let me turn this down just in case we don't want any copyright strikes. Or okay, so yeah, right here we have Lady Opal Moon. It's all nice and warm and snuggly. She likes her belly rubbed, don't you? Oh, she likes that belly rubbed. And then here comes Sir Wells. He likes the top of that head scratched, but you see how he kind of backs off. He does that a lot. And here we have, coming into view, is, of course, I always have to do this. All right. Sir Utah. And not to be disturbed, of course, is Summer Lucille. But they were asleep until they heard my voice. And I think as soon as I step out of the room and get quiet again, probably they will go back to sleep. Are you going to join the bunch? You going to join the bunch? Showing everybody the unmade day bed? Oh. So, as we see, all the indoor kitties are safe and warm and sound, snuggled up on a very chilly November afternoon. Oh my goodness. This house is getting small. Because you know, where'd you go, baby? Because these guys are getting big. Aren't you? You going to try to get my foot? These guys are getting big. So this door and this door must remain closed. It's just too much to have that many cats roaming. Baby Dumpling comes in and visits these guys, and they get along fine. But, you know, of course, this is the house we'll have forever, so. Uh-oh, I almost stepped on you. I didn't mean to wake everybody up. I just wanted to make a little bit of a video for the subs and the viewers of Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. And look, there's not all that much destruction going on. I bet because you're chilly. I mean, it's not chilly here inside. It's 72 degrees, but. So anyway, the 2-room habitat that they share with me, the litter boxes that get cleaned at least twice a day, morning and evening, and sometimes 3 times a day with a midday cleaning. And I keep the rugs on the bed to protect the coverlet as much as I can. And all of that sort of thing. And there's no toy in the food dish. What's up with that? There's almost always a toy in the food dish. Are you going to get into that box? No? Changed your mind? You're going to pose? You want to pose? You want to grab the phone out of my hand? Huh? You want to pose? Strike a pose. Everybody vogue. Everybody vogue. Alrighty, folks. Maybe I ought to put a few morsels in there, and thank you all so very much for watching and for liking, for subbing, for sharing. Please continue to do so. Help the channel grow so that we can get monetized and have memberships to help the kitties. And as always, if you're ever interested in sending product only, strictly for the kittens and the cats, okay, then you can email me at brewersusan545@gmail.com. That's all lowercase. BREWERSUSAN 545@gmail.com, and I will give you a shipping address. If you would wish to send Purina Indoor Cat Chow, any brand name for the outdoor cats, Temptations Treats, cat bedding, dishes, vertical scratching posts or scratch pads that lay on the floor. We'll sure take the help. Anyway, that's all up to you, of course. But like I said, and I want to reiterate, product only. And product only for cats and kittens, not for humans. So, we love you all very much, and we share with you our good vibes. And hope that you have a very, very pleasant evening. And once again, please like, share, and sub. All right. Bye-bye then.